Hello the world, hello people of the internet, hello to Jason Isaacs, I'm back. It's been a really long time since I did any one of these things, and a lot's changed. And I'll tell you exactly what's changed and why and how and the extent to which that really matters right after this, which is my new introduction. Cue intro. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. So, what's happened? Well, quite a few bits and pieces. Essentially, I am now in a new studio. I've got some new equipment today. What I'm going to do is just a little bit of fun, really. I'm going to do an unboxing because, yeah, why the hell not? And then when I finish, I'm going to get on with a new presentation on the British Constitution, which seems to be something that's causing a surprising amount of interest amongst certain aspects of the internet. And obviously by that stage, I'll have this, which is a new sound system and hopefully better sound quality for you guys. Also, I've got a new camera recording equipment. Just so you know, it's a quick look. There it is over there. Can you see that? Oh yeah. So I'll be looking into that when I do my videos on beauty tips and products. But what's happened? Well, I'm now freelance, which gives me the opportunity to go off and do a range of different videos, perhaps with some more editorial. I'm going to raise my game in terms of production. So whatever it is that you want me to talk about, do please let me know, and I'll be absolutely delighted to get to work on that. Next up, as I say, is one there on the Constitution. Again, for some reason, that's causing a lot of interest among certain communities, certain excitable communities in the internet. So I'll go and try to answer some of the questions that have been coming up on that. I've just produced a blog on the future of the monarchy, so I'll link off to that in the comments on this particular video, and I'll also link off to my new website, which is on my new and improved website, which is going live now, and I'll be interested in interesting ways to monetize that and ring you guys for some cash. But most importantly, as I say, I'm going independent now. So this is my opportunity to explore new areas, look into new bits of political interest to you. So do please get in touch and let me know. And yeah, my videos are going to be improving massively because I've got all this wonderful new kit, not least this, which is the TC2030 USB microphone kit. Now again, this is really just a silly little video for me to test my equipment and see what I've got and how I can get it out there. But this looks like the absolute business. I've got cages, I've got arms, and warning, should I be wearing a has? Yeah, probably. And all sorts of bits and pieces. Now, this is a slightly old generation, so it comes in at a very reasonable sub 50 quid, which is good news when you're going solo. And still more stuff coming out here. It's certainly going to look very professional. Whether or not it sounds very professional probably depends a lot on the operator. But hey, I'll go and put all that together and then I'll come back later and we'll see if we can tell the difference. See you in a minute. Oh, yeah. Got a remote control. Hi, so a few minutes later and we're back. We've got this set up now. As fate would have it, I'm not actually using the recorder sound as yet because cables and stuff. I did have to swap some cables around, but in terms of syncing it with the camera, that's a whole different ball game. But there you go, it's ready, and that means that I'm good to start doing some more recording. And yeah, any sound engineers out there who want to tell me how terrible my setup is, you know, do please let me know. Right, so time to get busy. Starting off with another view of the British Constitution. I'll come back, have a retrospective of Boris, what that means for politics. Again, check out my blog on the Queen, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover. I look forward to that, and have fun, everybody.